Ladies, let me spill the beans on how to capture a man's commitment. Here's the lowdown on what makes us fall head over heels. Number 1, attraction. Girl, when it comes to commitment, you gotta be hotter than the sun on a scorching summer day. We're talking about that drop-dead gorgeousness that makes us weak at the knees. Number 2, an authentic personality. Be real, be you. We want a girl who's not afraid to snort when she laughs or dance like nobody's watching. We crave authenticity because, let's face it, what matters is what's true, not some filtered version of ourselves. Number 3, a strong connection. When you find that special someone who just gets you, it's like finding a hidden treasure. It's that aha moment where everything clicks. But hey, if the connection isn't there, we'll drift apart faster than a leaf in the wind. Number 4, comfort. Feeling at ease with each other is golden. We want a safe space to share everything, from silly jokes to deep secrets. Let's build a foundation of trust where we can be our true, goofy, and vulnerable selves. Number 5, compatibility. It's like finding the perfect match, like peanut butter and jelly or fries and ketchup. We need both intellectual and physical compatibility to make this commitment work. Stimulate our minds and set our hearts on fire. Number 6, maintaining an air of mystery. We love a good challenge. Make us work for your attention. It's like a thrilling game of hide and seek. But once we unravel all the secrets, the excitement fades faster than a disappearing Snapchat message. Number 7, enough time together. Sometimes, it takes us a while to realize that our best friend has been the love of our life all along. Love has its own mysterious ways, so don't lose hope. We'll figure it out eventually. Number 8, good morals. It's not too much to ask for dignity, loyalty, honesty, and trust. These values are our North Star. Let's create a solid foundation built on integrity. Number 9, the right timing. Timing is everything, my dear. When the stars align, commitment falls into place effortlessly. But hey, in the past, we might have been more interested in having fun. Life is all about enjoying the ride. Number 10, freedom to have other interests. Give us some breathing room, ladies. Let us hang out with the guys, enjoy sports games, or have a boys' night out. A little freedom keeps the flame burning bright. So, there you have it, ladies. The inside scoop on how to capture a man's commitment. Go out there, be confident, and remember that the right guy will embrace all that you are. You've got this.